Most men quit their fat loss phase at the exact moment they're closest to success. There is a stage during every diet where you actually look worse before you look lean. Your muscles look smaller, your belly fat is still there, and you start wondering if all your hard work is doing absolutely nothing. I call this phase the ugly middle, and unfortunately, it's the exact stage where most people give up. Now think of fat loss like crossing a bridge. At the beginning, everything feels exciting. The scale drops, your face gets leaner, your clothes fit better, and people start noticing. Then eventually, if you stay consistent long enough, you reach the other side. Your waist tightens up, your muscle definition appears, and your physique starts looking aesthetic. But right in the middle, everything feels terrible. You're smaller, but you're not lean. You've lost weight, but you still don't have abs. And you look in the mirror and think, honestly, I looked better 10 pounds ago. And this is where most people quit. Not because their diet stopped working, but because they stopped believing it's working. The crazy part is, what you're experiencing is actually a sign that the process is working. First of all, your body doesn't lose fat evenly. For most men, fat disappears first from places like the face and arms. The most stubborn areas, your lower stomach, love handles, and lower back, usually lean out the last. So your face gets leaner, your arms get smaller, but the belly fat you're focused on is still there, which makes you feel like you're moving backwards when you're actually making progress. Secondly, your muscles temporarily look flatter while dieting. The result? Less fullness, less pump, less size. This doesn't mean you're losing muscle, it just means you're dieting. And water retention can completely hide progress. A stressful week, poor sleep, a salty meal, a hard workout. Any of these can make you hold extra water. The scale jumps up, you look bloated, and suddenly you're convinced nothing is working. But fat loss and water retention can happen at the exact same time, which means progress is often hidden before it becomes visible. That's why daily weigh-ins and daily mirror checks are such a terrible way to judge progress. Focus on weekly trends, not individual days. And honestly, I went through this exact same thing myself. When I was above 20% body fat, I didn't look lean, but I looked bigger. My shirts felt tighter, the muscles looked fuller. Then I dieted down to around 18% body fat. And honestly, I hated how I looked. I felt smaller, flatter, less impressive. I was eating fewer calories, training hard, doing everything right. Yet the mirror wasn't giving me the reward I expected. I genuinely started wondering if all that effort was for nothing. But I kept going. And that's when everything changed. Because once I pushed through the ugly middle and got closer to 12-15% body fat, the results suddenly became obvious. My waist tightened, my shoulders broadened, and my arms showed more definition. My physique finally started looking aesthetic. The crazy part is, the biggest visual changes happened after the phase where I almost convinced myself nothing was working. And that's exactly why quitting during the ugly middle is so tragic. Because most people stop right before the transformation becomes visible. So if you're currently dieting and feeling discouraged, don't quit. You might be standing in the exact place where almost everyone gives up, the ugly middle. But remember this, the middle of the bridge feels the worst, but it's also the closest point to the other side. So keep going, trust the process, and remember, most people quit right before the transformation becomes visible. Don't let that be you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.